Good morning, my kindergarten dolphins. It is so good to see you all. We're going to begin today with some calendar. We'll go over our calendar mat and our date sheet, and we'll get right into journaling. So let's begin. Now, we have been counting every day to find our date, but today I want to see if we can start at the date it was yesterday and just add one more. So yesterday we said that it was the 6th. What day comes next? What number is 1 bigger than 6? 7, very good. So let's find which number is our 7. Is it my first, middle, or last number? It's my last number. That is a 7. So I'm going to add that to my calendar. So I've got my calendar mat and I'm ready to add 7 to my calendar mat. So I'm going to write my 7 after my 6. Yesterday was the 6th, now it's the 7th. And we're ready to talk about the month. Let's sing our months of the year song to remind us about all of our months. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. All right, what did we hear? What month is it? It's October. Very good. We have October written at the top of our calendar mat from the beginning of the week. And let's talk about the year, so we're ready to write our date. What is the year again? 2020. Very good. Okay, let's get our date sheet out and add in today's date. So we said that it is October, and today's date is the 7th, and the year is 2020. And on our other side, we know that it is the 10th month. October is the 10th month of the year. And again, today's date is the 7th. And the 20 is for 2020. So that is today's date. And I think we're ready to talk about our days of the week now. Let's begin with our days of the week song, and then we'll talk about what day of the week it is today. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, down to our knees. Thursday, down to our toes. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the days of the week. And look at this. We have some hidden partners here making our 7. We have a 5 and a 2. And when we put it together, it makes 7. Very good. So let's think, what day of the week did we say it was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday. I'm going to put that up here at the top for yesterday was. Now, if yesterday was Tuesday, what day is it today? Wednesday. Very good. Today is Wednesday, and we can circle Wednesday on our calendar mat. Now that I've added it to my calendar, I'm going to come over to my calendar mat, find my Wednesday, begins with a W, and I'm going to circle my Wednesday there. Now, if today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? It will be Thursday. Very good. And Thursday begins with a TH. Thursday. Thursday. Very good. Okay, so now we know yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. And I think we're ready for our weather report. So let's sing our weather song together. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me, Kinder, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? Okay, let's take a peek here. Looking out my window, and I think that today it looks pretty cloudy outside. Now, even though it's cloudy, I wasn't feeling very cold. Still feels pretty warm to me. Not hot. I still needed a little jacket, but I didn't need a big jacket. I wasn't feeling too cold. So I'm feeling like pretty warm, and it's looking pretty cloudy. So that's my weather report for the day. You can circle yours on your calendar mat. And let's go ahead and get out our brand new prompt sheet, and let's write about something new in our journal today. So I'm going to head over to the table, and I'm going to point my camera down at my journal again so you can see how I cut and paste. Okay, so I've got all my supplies. I've got my prompts, I've got my journal, and I've got my word wall book. I've got a pencil and some coloring materials, scissors and glue, which means I am all ready to begin. So now my next step is to pick a prompt I would like to write about. Let's think. You know what? Today I think I want to write about what I feel like when the weather starts to cool down. So it says, when the weather starts to cool down, I feel. Now this is asking me, when it gets a little bit cold outside, when it starts to get colder, how do you feel? And I actually really like the cold. I like when it's cold outside. I'm from somewhere where it's cold, so it makes me happy, and I think I want to write about that today. So I'm going to begin by cutting out my prompt. Now again, you don't have to do the prompt that I'm doing. These prompt sheets are for you to pick which prompt you want to write about. I'm just showing you my journal, but you're welcome to write about anything in the prompt sheet that you want to write. So you don't have to pick the same one as me, but this is the one that I'm picking today. So I cut on my dotted lines, and remember, the picture doesn't really fit because I didn't make these the right size. So I'm going to cut that out and use it somewhere else on my page. And now I'm ready to get my glue out and glue my prompt down. I'm going to glue it at the top of the page again so that I have some room to color my picture. And I'll put my picture right below it. Or maybe I'll put it down here and I can include it in my drawing today. Okay. And now I'm ready to begin writing. So let me remind myself what the question is. When the weather starts to cool down, I feel. So it's asking me how I feel. And look, here I have a little sentence starter that actually says I feel. So I'm going to begin with that. I'm going to copy it. I, uppercase I. And the next word is feel. Feel. F-E-E-L. And oh man, it sounds like I'm going to need some feeling words. Well, guess what? We have some feeling words in here. These pictures of jack-o'-lanterns tell me some feeling words. Now I want to pick which one I feel. I feel excited. Ooh, and I feel happy. So I think I'm going to use these two words, excited and happy. And I can use these to help me write. I feel excited, and then I want to write the word and. And. A-N-D. Happy. I feel excited and happy. I feel excited and happy. And then I want to write why I feel excited and happy. Now you could end your sentence here. If you want, you could add a period and that could be your sentence. But I want to specify that why I like when it's cold outside is because my favorite weather is actually when it's sunny and cold. And when it gets a little bit colder, but it's still sunny, that's what I like best. So I just want to specify that in my sentence. So I feel excited and happy. If you want to put your period there and finish it, that would be okay. But I'm just going to write a little bit more because that's where I'm at. I feel excited and happy because. I want to write because. Now, I'm pretty sure the word because is in my word wall book. Because I know it's a word that we use a lot in writing, but maybe I don't remember how to spell it. Because. Here it is. Because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. I'm going to use that to help me write the word because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. S-E. Because now I want to write, because I love sunny and cold weather. I love. How do I spell love? Love. I'm going to go to my L page. I can hear it starts with L. It doesn't look like love is on this page. Well, let's add it in because that's a good word to know how to spell. Love. L-O-V-E. Just in case you ever want to know how to spell it, there it is. Because I love. Now I want to write about the weather. Maybe I don't remember all my weather words. But I remember there's a weather words page in my book. So I'm going to find it. Oh, here it is. And I wanted to write about sunny and cold weather because I love sunny and I already wrote and here. And cold. Here's my word cold with the snowman. Cold weather. And I see the word weather at the top here. It's also in my little prompt. Weather. Okay, I'm going to read my whole sentence. I feel excited and happy because I love sunny and cold weather. And that's the end of my sentence. Remember, you don't have to write this much. You could always just write one feeling word using your I feel sentence starter. Or you could draw me a picture and use your beginning sounds to label. Remember, your writing journal is for you to write at whatever level you're at. This is the level that I'm at. I can write long sentences and I remember how to use all of my materials. And what I'm doing is showing you how you can use them too. Now it's time for me to add a picture. And I have a little girl at the pumpkin patch here. That's something we like to do in cold weather. I also love to go outside and look at beautiful trees in the cold weather when the leaves are changing. So I think I want to add a tree and have some beautiful fall leaves on it, just like the ones that you guys made me last week. All right, and there's my finished picture. I feel excited and happy because I love sunny and cold weather. And that's the whole thing. All right, you guys, I can't wait to see what you decide to write about today. I'll see you later. Bye.